Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to be doing a trade breakdown on two signal alerts I sent out today in the private VIP Telegram, which is exactly what you see here on the left hand side. This is a private VIP Telegram group where I put out daily signals for US 30, NAS 100, as well as Forex pairs. If you guys are ever interested in joining this, it is going to be the very first link below this YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Money Monday and just overall how this is like the best day out of the week to trade and how traders themselves look forward to this day. Unlike most people in the rest of the world, dread Mondays. We absolutely love it. So awesome day today between US 30 and NAS 100. We absolutely crushed both signals, both alerts. I was actually in US 30 first, and if you actually pay attention right here very closely, you'll see that my signal alert was 36223.68. I told everyone I was buying US 30, and you can see that entry matches exactly the trade I took. So I put my order out there, it got filled, beautiful profit, followed by the chart, right? So I like to include the chart with my signal alerts so everyone understands that basically we were looking for it to hold this zone, have a nice little push up to the upside, break over the highs, followed by our take profits, right? So not only am I including the chart, but I'm also including the areas of take profit. We have take profit 1, 2, 3 with our stop loss, and then followed by that was NAS 100 signal alert. I didn't take this one because I was already in US 30. I actually ended up taking this one from a buy chase once it pulled back, but you see the entry was 16096.28, as always, followed by the chart. With this one had pushed up. This one basically pushed up. We hit a little resistance area, pulled back, looking for it to hold that zone and push up. This was obviously our entry. Let's fast forward here, and you'll see market open. US 30 hit take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, US 30, then NAS 100 basically pushed up, hit take profit 1, and then US 30 squeezed, had a nice massive squeeze up. So not only do we hit TP1, TP2, TP3, nice beautiful squeeze to the upside, and then that was US 30, but then NAS 100, you guys could see hit take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Nice, beautiful, clean trade signals alerts. NAS 100 actually ended up going even more today. And look at the bigger chart, time frame with both of these on the big chart, big time frame. You'll see that NAS 100 basically took off running all day long, never once came back to our entry. US 30 took off running all day long. It did pull back. You could see that at some point, right? You can see it not when she squeezed this 15-minute candle. It opened, pushed up, and then it dropped all the way back down. Pay attention to this. It dropped all the way back down to that zone area. You see that? See how it just basically hit that zone and then pushed back up again? So you could have easily jumped back in US 30 if you missed it the first time. Awesome day, right? Obviously, this is my VIP Telegram group. This is something that, if you want to sign up for, you guys click the link below this YouTube video. I tell people with just today's signals alerts made members enough money to basically cover all of next year to get access to this. It is the very first link below this YouTube video if you guys want to join. If not, continue watching my YouTube videos and education. Again, why was I watching US 30 and NAS 100? It is very simple. It is Money Monday, and most importantly is that I look to my left, I look to the past to see what she's been doing, and because she's basically been bouncing, looking for it to break up over these highs, right? Break up over these highs, have a nice little squeeze up. That was obviously US 30, and then NAS 100, same exact thing, guys, right? Same exact thing, looking for it to hold this channel zone support area, have a nice push to the upside. That is it, right? Short, simple, and sweet. Too many people overcomplicate things day in and day out with trading, and you just simply can't do that. Trade the best, leave the rest. So nice way to start the week. Absolutely crush it with signals, profits. I've been meaning to watch Forex pairs the rest of the day. I've just been extremely busy. But anyways, we're going to keep crushing it day in and day out and end this year with a bang. Excited for 2024. Got some bigger, better things coming for you guys. Subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Remember, guys, nobody goes broke taking profits. Cheers.